Hello, I am Matt Lane of Matt Lane Commerce. So today we're answering the question, how much does Shopify cost? So I'm a Shopify user of over probably like 7 years. Um, and also before we get started, if you want to get Shopify, make sure you use the link in the description. Make sure you use the link in the description, click that link to sign up. So let's talk about the cost. And if you go to the pricing page, it's actually pretty straightforward, but I'll explain it, and here's my take on it as well. Like, if you're a new entrepreneur, like, you're going to use the basic account. Like, if you don't have a team, like a specific team with multiple people that actually work on the site, especially. So basic is just like one login. So like, you can log in, you can work on it. You can have other people actually work on your site, like developers and things like that. But basic is basically like, okay, if you're a solo entrepreneur, I mean, just like it says here, like if you're a solo entrepreneur, or even if you have a team, but you're like the main web guy, like basic is for you. So back to the pricing, and this is important to know. And basically, like if you pay monthly, you're going to pay $39 a month. So for example, on basic, which is probably the most common for most folks, especially if you're starting off, you're going to be paying $39 a month, right? But if you pay yearly, you're going to pay $29 a month. So that's actually a pretty significant difference. It ends up being around $120 less a year. So it is a pretty significant difference. It's like one of the biggest like yearly versus monthly discounts I've seen. Shopify is a very interesting e-commerce product in itself, which is why I, do work as an affiliate with them. They have very, very interesting and very generous telling like pricing. It's very interesting how they do this stuff actually, if you really study it. But again, the basic tier is $39 a month. That's what you're going to be paying if you pay monthly, which is what I do most of the time. 29 a month is if you pay yearly. So you'll pay the full $360 in one lump sum, and it'll last a year. The subscription will last 1 year. So, again, like the basic, pretty much, you can do basically everything. You can make blogs, put with like unlimited products. It doesn't really restrict you. It's just like the amount of logins you can have. It's pretty like clear here actually, but I think that's the biggest difference. Like, yeah, card rates. Okay, I mean that's true, but yeah. So that's really it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And again, if you're interested in signing up, check the link in the description to sign up. Definitely use that link. I do get commission credit for that. I am an affiliate, so but I use this and I talk about it passionately. Love e-commerce. And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more. Peace out.